Hello everyone, this is your tutor AB. Today we're going to be solving a question from the May 2019 IB chemistry examinations. This is an SL multiple choice question worth 1 mark, coming from paper 1A. Let's get started. Methane undergoes incomplete combustion. So this equation represents the process. So what is the enthalpy change in kilojoules using the bond enthalpy data given below? Okay, to solve this question, we need to understand the formula for calculating the enthalpy change using average bond enthalpy data. Well, the formula is equal to enthalpy change. It's going to be equal to the summation of the enthalpy change of bonds broken minus the summation of enthalpy of bonds formed. Okay, let me just lasso this so it's easier to see. That's the equation. So in other words, it is the enthalpy of the reactants minus products. The summation enthalpy of reactant minus the summation enthalpy of the products. Okay, so let's solve this question because it's relatively simple. They're just asking us to do reactants minus products, but before we do that, we need to understand how this process looks. We need to draw it out. So let's do that. Right, we have CH4 so let's draw this whole process using the Lewis diagrams. We know that CH4 looks something like this, CH, H, and there is a total of 2 of these. Okay, let me draw it smaller just so we have enough space. CH4 will look like this, and we know there is 2 of these, plus 3O2 looks something like this, right? O and O will bond together, and that's a double bond, O double O, like that, and there is 3 of those, and that gives me 2CO. So what's the bond between CO? That's a triple bond, CO, and there's 2 of those, plus finally H2O, which will look something like this, HOO. Okay, and there is 4 of those, so 4 times this. So how does this help us? Well, this helps us visualize what we're needing to put. So we know there are 4 CH bonds already, and we need to times that by 2, so we have 8 CH bonds. Then we know that we have a single O double bond with O, but we need 3 of those, so we need 3 O double bonds. Then we need 2 CO triple bonds, and we need 8 HO single bonds. Okay, so if we put this all in, we need reactants minus products. So our reactants are CH. What is the value for CH? 4 and 4. So we need 8 times 414 plus 3 times, what's the value for OO double bond? 498. 3 times 498. Okay, this is one bracket. I need to write it properly. 498. This is one bracket minus the products, which is we have 2 times C triple bond O, 2 times 1077 plus 8 times OH, which is right here, 463. And so if we compare, we can see it's not it needs to be first of all reactants minus products, so immediately D and A go, and by looking at our numbers we know it's not B either because they don't look at the coefficients properly, and so C is the right answer for this question. So I hope you understood. If you have any questions, comment them below. I'll get to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.